Hi Petrolheads, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and I hope your cars are working well. So today we will be doing something new. We will just replace two fuel lines because simply they are old and they are not looking the best. Here we have our mighty diesel. It's still working.
Oh, there's a big surprise!
Last time I was changing the fuel filter and I've noticed that those two fuel lines, this one and this one, they are not in the best condition. I've noticed that some fuel was leaking from them. So I put the stronger clamps on just for the time being, and now we will replace those two fuel lines to ensure that they will be okay, and we will install the correct clamps. And this is the fuel line, nothing special as I've said. I think the diameter should be okay because I measured everything. I also bought a special tool for fuel clamps because I didn't have one. It catches the clip where it should and you can easily put it together without any issues and struggle. As you can see, one is down. Okay, so I got the rough estimation how long should it be from the old one, so now I will just get it, and as threatened from M539 as restorations used to say, there is a special tool for it. Of course I don't have it, so I will just use this knife, kinda sharp knife, and we'll see what will come out of it. To be honest guys, it's not that bad. Look, it's not terrible, it's not perfect, but you know, it's not a perfect car as you can see, so
He ain't lying.
So now what we have to do is, first of all, I will fit this something. This is like an additional, I don't know, heat shield probably, because I could see, as you can see guys, here we have another one, and I guess that there's quite a lot of heat coming from here, and Scheiße. Yes, good news guys, I found the missing clip that had fallen down. Guys, look, it's an original unit from Bosch. So this is an original fuel pump. It's 2004, 20th day of January, made in Czech Republic. And this car actually was built on 31st of March. So this is an original unit. And just to show you how cars were built back in the day, look at the odometer. It's 305,448. And to be honest, I don't know if this is an original mileage, probably not. So as you can see, parts back then, the parts that they installed on the cars were amazing. Okay, but here we are done. To be honest, we took everything out. Now I just have to measure this old one, this one, and I have to cut the appropriate length from the new line and just put it together. Okay. Shitbox life. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so this is all done. Okay guys, so as you can see, everything is working, surprisingly, because I did that, so I was thinking it's not going to work. But yeah, of course I will be checking that out if nothing is leaking anymore. But the car was running for like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and I was also adding a little bit of gas to see if under the pressure nothing is getting out. But of course I will have to do some driving to see if it's working. But yeah, so that would be it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Again, thank you very much for subscribing and liking the videos. So see you in the next one. Bye.